Welcome to Kiki's Blue House. It's raining out. Look all around. Everything's getting wet. The rain's coming down. Let's go inside and do some activities. One fun thing about rain is puddles. If you have rain boots, stamping in puddles is so much fun. Like this. There's some puddles. That was fun. Let's read a book about rain. Get my glasses. And it's titled Rain. Yellow sun. White clouds. Gray clouds. No sun. Gray sky. Rain. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. Rain on the red car. Rain on the orange flowers. Rain on the brown fence. Rain on the purple flowers. Rain on the white house. Rain on the green trees. Rain. Rain. Look at that. Rainbow. It's nice to know that you can look forward to things after a rough time. Rain sometimes can be hard because you can't go outside in it. But then it's nice to know that sometimes after a rain comes a rainbow. Remember that. I thought today would be a nice day to try this activity that I've been wanting to try for a while. It's watercolor painting, but with salt. It's supposed to make the colors more brilliant. For some reason, the salt absorbs some of the wetness and makes the pigment go into the paper. Let's try it. I thought today, where it's rainy, I would do dark blues. Sometimes colors can make you think about your feelings. And the colors that you choose can reflect the feelings that you feel. Like I always say that yellow is my happy color. I don't know why, but that's just how it feels to me. And green is the color that I like to use when I'm feeling creative. Green makes me think of being outside in the nature. I love the colors in the forest and on the beach. Sometimes you see green in the water. Sometimes you see blue in the water. I like blue today too. Let's put a little yellow in there. Because like I said, that's my happy color. And how about some purple? I like this blue. Alright, once I have this whole thing covered, all wet like that, ooh, Add more water to it. Now, here's something nutsy I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle salt on it. Lots of salt. This is Himalayan pink salt. I'm also going to try just some regular, ordinary table salt. Covered as much of it as I could with it. And we'll come back later and see how that turned out. Yeah. Okay. So Snickers, Harley, and I wanted to sing a song for you that everybody seems to like to sing on a rainy day, right, guys? Yeah. Here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Harley wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Your turn. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Snickers wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. What, my turn? Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Kiki wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. This time let's sing it and you put in your name and we'll put your name in the song. Ready? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, I think this rainy day is making these dogs want to take a nap. Okay, I moved this over to the table so we could see the salt as it comes off it. I let this dry overnight and let's see what the result is. Ready? Brush all this sand off. Oh, it's really stuck on there. Can you see? It's pretty cool, huh? This is another one that I did. Can you guess what that is? A rainbow. I'm using my hands to get the salt off this time. I'll definitely try this again. Just to give you an idea of the colors. And here's the one I did with you guys. As you can see, everything's still wet out here. The little cars are wet. The sand tent is wet. Not me though, I'm under my trusty umbrella. Thanks for coming. I hope you had fun today doing some art activities and reading my story about rain. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey, hi to my friends, Collins, Teddy, Baby Cal, and my other friends, Simon, Henry, Ellie, Clancy Rose, Ryan, Elliot, and all of you. I'll see you next time on Kiki's Blue House. Bye-bye.